Hello students, good morning and welcome to our new revision video of English grammar. Children, as your half yearly is coming near and your syllabus is also completed, so from this video we'll start the revision. This is the revision of English grammar chapter number 4 and your chapter number 4 is special names. So let's start. What are special names? See, special names are the words used for any one particular person, place, animal or thing. So children, what are special names? These all are names of person, place, animal or thing. See, your name, your mother's name, your father's name and whoever is living with you. Okay? All these names are names of person because they all have unique name. Everyone's name is different. So it's called particular name. Okay? In the same way, name of place. Each place has got different names. Name of animal. Each animal has got different name. Or whatever animals we keep as a pet, we give them a name. And things, whatever things we have or whatever things we see around, each and everything has got its name. So these all names are called special names. Okay children? Now let's see, for example, name of rivers. Every river has a name like Ganga, Yamuna, Kosi. Okay? Name of mountain. For example, Himalaya. Himalaya, mountain. Name of place. Like Chennai. Name of country. Like India. Name of dolls. For example, Barbie. Barbie is name of a doll. And toys. Your favorite toys, Avenger toys. Along with it, days of the week like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All these names of days of week are special names. Along with it, months of the year. Months of the year means January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. All these months are also special names. Names of festivals. Dashera, Diwali, Christmas. And many more festivals we have. Holi, Eid. These all are special names. Okay children? Now one thing more is that special names starts with a capital letter. Whatever special names we will write, wherever we will write, it always begins with a capital letter. So children, these all are called special names. Now in this also home assignment I have given. This you have to read it carefully and do it in rough copy, so that you may know that how much you have prepared. Now in this, your first question is, underline the special names in following sentences. Read the sentence and after that you have to underline the special names. First sentence is, January is the first month of the year. Whatever is special name in this sentence, underline it. Second one is, my friend's name is Rohan. Third, Mary is a girl. Fourth, my pet's name is Tommy. And last one is, my uncle lives in Delhi. Okay children, read these sentences again and again and underline the special name. One more question is there. Answer the following questions and begin name with capital letter. What you have to do? Read the question, give the answer, and your answer should begin with capital letter. First one is, what is your name? You have to write your name, but it should begin with capital letter. Second one, what is the name of your school? In this, you have to write the name of your school and it should also begin with capital letter. Third one is, what is your favorite fruit? Next, what is the name of your father? And last one is, what is the name of your city? So students, read both these questions again and again and do your work in rough copy, so that you may know how much you have prepared. Thank you.